I recently invested in some dash cams, and let me tell you, these devices can be game changers. I bought and tested 5 different models to save you the trouble of sifting through endless options. With these reviews, you'll know exactly what to look for in your next dash cam, so you don't waste your hard-earned cash.
Product number 1. Turun-Sol D016. When I first unboxed the Turun-Sol D016, I was impressed by its sleek design and the sheer amount of tech packed into this little device. This dashcam boasts dual 4K recording, one for the front and one for the rear, making it perfect for capturing every moment on the road. I installed it in my car and was pleasantly surprised by how straightforward the setup was. The included 128GB memory card meant I was ready to roll without any extra purchases. The first thing that struck me was the clarity of the video. Both the front and rear cameras record in stunning 4K resolution, which is particularly noticeable during the day. The 170-degree wide-angle lens gives you a broader view, helping to capture not just the road, but the surroundings. I found it especially useful when driving through busy intersections where other vehicles might be in the frame. Now, let's talk about the night vision capabilities. With its f1.5 aperture, the front camera performs admirably in low light conditions. I took a late-night drive, and the footage was surprisingly bright and clear, making it easy to see details that could be crucial in case of an accident. The app control via built-in Wi-Fi is another standout feature. I downloaded the Turun-Sol app on my phone, and it allowed me to manage recordings effortlessly. I could view footage in real time, download clips at up to 20 megabytes per second, and even share them directly on social media. This feature made it super convenient to grab clips without having to deal with wires. However, it's not without its downsides. The parking mode requires a hardwire kit, which is an extra expense. Additionally, while the app is user-friendly, I did experience occasional connectivity issues when attempting to connect to the camera. These were minor annoyances, but worth mentioning. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable dashcam that offers top-tier video quality, user-friendly features, and excellent customer support, the Turun-Sol D016 is a solid choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants peace of mind on the road and needs a dependable device for capturing everything that happens during their drive.
Product number 2. Rove R2 4K Dual. I was excited to test the Rove R2 4K Dual, especially because it boasts an impressive 4K front and 1080p rear recording capability. After setting it up, the first thing I noticed was the build quality. It felt robust and durable, perfect for everyday use. The installation was a breeze, and I was up and running in no time. Once I hit the road, I was amazed at how clear the footage was. The front camera captures a stunning 3840 by 2160p resolution, while the rear offers a solid 1920 by 1080p. With a 150-degree wide angle in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, I felt confident knowing that most of my surroundings were captured. This became particularly useful during a recent road trip where scenic views could easily be recorded. One of the standout features is the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which enhances low-light performance. I took a late-night drive and was impressed by how well it captured details even in dimly lit areas. The f1.5 aperture lets in a lot of light, and the resulting footage was bright and detailed. However, what really impressed me was the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. The Rove app allowed me to manage recordings and settings seamlessly. I was able to download videos directly to my phone at lightning speed, up to 20 megabytes per second. This made sharing clips with friends and family a matter of seconds. That said, there are a couple of things to consider. First, the parking mode requires a separate hardware kit for continuous monitoring, which could be an added cost for some users. Also, while the voice guidance feature is helpful, it can be a bit chatty at times, which some might find unnecessary. In conclusion, the Rove R2 4K Dual is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-quality dashcam that excels in both video clarity and user experience. The combination of 4K recording, low-light performance, and quick connectivity makes it a worthy investment for your vehicle.
Product number 3. Red Tiger F7 NP. When I got my hands on the Red Tiger F7 NP, I was eager to see how it would stack up against other models I've tried. Right out of the box, the compact design was appealing, and the setup was straightforward. It supports 4K front and 1080p rear recording, which felt like a great combo for comprehensive coverage. The first drive I took with the F7NP proved its worth. The footage quality was impressive, particularly in bright daylight. The 170-degree front and 140-degree rear wide-angle lenses offered ample visibility, capturing everything from pedestrians to road signs clearly. I was especially pleased with the addition of the Starvis 2 sensor, which significantly improved the quality of night recordings. I drove through a poorly lit area and the footage was still sharp and detailed. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi was another big plus. Connecting my phone to the camera was seamless, and I could instantly download clips to share with friends or family. The app was intuitive, allowing me to preview videos and adjust settings without any hassle. However, one downside to note is that the parking mode requires a hardware kit, which isn't included. Additionally, while the app provides great features, I found it could be a bit slow at times, especially when downloading larger files. Overall, I believe the Red Tiger F7 NP is a solid investment for anyone in the market for a dual-channel dashcam. Its combination of high-resolution video, excellent night vision, and user-friendly app make it a reliable choice for capturing your driving adventures.
Product number 4. Turunsol 4K Dashcam. The Turunsol 4K Dashcam caught my attention right away with its promise of full HD recording across 3 channels. I was intrigued to see how it would perform, particularly with the added feature of cabin recording. Setting it up was straightforward, and I appreciated the clear instructions included in the box. Once I installed it in my car, I was ready to hit the road. The first thing I noticed was the clarity of the footage. The simultaneous triple-channel recording means that I could capture the front, rear, and cabin all at once. The 4K quality for the front camera and 1080p for the rear and cabin meant that I wasn't sacrificing quality for coverage. This setup is fantastic for rideshare drivers or families wanting to keep an eye on the kids in the back seat. On a recent trip, I tested the night vision capabilities, and I was pleasantly surprised by how well the HDR technology worked. The footage was clear, even in low light conditions. The built-in GPS was another highlight, giving me real-time speed and location stamps on the recorded video, which is a great feature for insurance claims. While the features are impressive, I did encounter a few drawbacks. The installation of the rear camera requires a bit more effort than some other models, and the wiring can be tricky to hide. Moreover, the parking mode also requires a separate hardwire kit, which is an extra expense. In conclusion, the Turunsol 4K Dashcam is a solid choice for anyone looking for an all-around camera that covers every angle. Its triple-channel recording, high video quality, and built-in features make it well worth considering for your vehicle.
Product number 5. iiWay N5. Last but certainly not least, I tried the iiWay N5, which boasts a unique 360-degree recording capability. I was skeptical at first, but after testing it, I was genuinely impressed. The installation was straightforward, and the included 128GB SD card meant I could start recording right away. What sets the N5 apart is its ability to record from multiple angles simultaneously. This is especially useful for anyone who wants a full view of their surroundings, capturing potential blind spots that traditional dashcams might miss. During my test drives, I found the footage to be clear and detailed across all 4 cameras, which is perfect for anyone concerned about safety. I particularly liked the built-in 5G Wi-Fi feature. It allowed me to connect my phone easily and access the app for managing settings and downloading footage. The app was user-friendly and made sharing clips simple. However, I did find that the app had a few connectivity hiccups, which could be improved. On the downside, the lack of GPS is a bit of a letdown if you're looking for location tracking. Additionally, the camera must be powered through the original charger, which could limit placement options in some vehicles. In summary, the iiWay N5 offers a unique approach to dashcams with its 360-degree recording feature. It's a solid option for anyone looking to cover all angles while driving, although it may not be the best fit for those who specifically want GPS functionality.